Myself Nilesh Parmar. I am heading QC department in new product development. I am here in Cosmos since last 10 years. Cosmos culture is very positive culture where you can share your ideas openly within the department and outside department also. When we talk about growth, I was joined as an application engineer in Cosmos. After that, I was promoted to assistant manager, and it is a big thing for me that growth with the company, growth with the person. Right now, I am as a deputy manager heading of QC department. So when company grows, that person also grows. Growth is continuous with the company and in person. Environment is very dynamic and familiar in Cosmos, where everyone is supportive to each other. The leaders here at Cosmos are very supportive and encouraging. They support you in every situation. Even they support to become you the next generation leaders. So you can be a leader here with your ideas and knowledge sharing. Future is very bright here. We are expanding for the tech park too. So there are so many opportunities to grow yourself in Cosmos.